Welcome to the German WolfPack vlogs, number 57 in the series. I am the German Wolf. What is going on, guys? Not much is going on. I just got back from the horse races. I did not do very well. I only, there was 10 races. And I stayed for only 9. And I only won $5. That's it. And I wanted to win big today, but I never did. Anyways, well, not much I said that is going on tonight. Right now I am relaxing, having a Solid Steel Pepsi Max. I'm gonna watch Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory around 8:30 tonight. And that's not much on, so I'm gonna watch that because I like that movie. Anyways, I'm not going to complain. But I made a video 10 hours ago. And guess what? 0 views to my first video this morning. Here's the thing I don't understand from you guys. When somebody makes a video, why will you not watch it? I want you guys to watch my videos. Every time that I post something, you completely ignore it. The best video that I did for you guys is me talking about NHL 18 and some hockey teams. And I got a lot, and I have a lot of views on that video. I'm not mad at you guys. I'm mad about the fan base, what I am getting. And what I'm saying is, when I make a video, I want to talk about stuff that is important to me, and you guys should care about it, but you don't. The only people who care about my local hockey team is Dingle Cooney, because he helps me out, and Adam Stewart does too. Like, I'm not angry or anything. I just don't understand why you don't watch most of my videos, and I have one video with no views on it yet. Excuse me. That's what I'm saying. I just don't. I don't get it. I don't know if I do not know if the Adirondack Thunder have signed anyone today, but I will find out, and I will make up another video if we did. Anyways, all week I'm gonna promote some more hockey teams and NHL 18. I would do that tomorrow, which I said in my previous video with no views. I told you guys that I would not be here all afternoon, because I went with my aunt, who is from France, who is Aunt Wolfie. I went with her today, and she's the big winner today, but not me. Oh, $5 I won. That's it. Every race, 0. I mean, I had fun though, but I mean, that's what I'm saying. Anyways, that movie I'm gonna watch tonight. I wanna know if anyone else seen Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory from 1970. I love that one the most of. The one in 2005 is kind of freaky with Johnny Depp as Willy Wonka. That's, to me, that's creepy. Gene Wilder does a better job as Willy Wonka. And that movie was based in England. This is gonna be short tonight, so anyways, so that's what I did today. But tomorrow, if I have any hockey news or anything, I'll let you guys know. Favorite, like, and share, and subscribe to the Wolf. The Alpha Base is doing something, I don't know. So, anyways, I want you guys to stay positive, and I want you guys to howl at the moon. Ow! And be very afraid of the wolf himself and the Alpha Beast too, because we are on the prowl right now for new WolfPack members. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, wolf out, and beware of the wolf himself, because the wolf is starting to get a little bit angry right now. And that's me. The wolf is getting angry.